Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Dusty Boy here. Just a quick update on my COVID-19 garden. Hope everyone's staying safe, keeping their distance, wearing masks, or whatever. That being said, I'm gonna show you guys this. We got some good news and we got some bad news. The bad news first is my garlic. So a day like this, I mean, it looks nice. The sun's out, but it's fucking chilly. The breeze will go right through you, and it's been like that for a couple of days now, so I haven't been able to give the attention that my garlic needed. I mean, you know, from the sun and from the warm weather, there's really none for it. So my garlic withered away and died, and when I took it out of the bucket, they each grew like they were like golf balls, you know. They were getting there. And then the tops just withered away and died. So that's the bad news. The good news is I was at work and I cut some onions to slice them up to cook with, and I saved the bottoms of the very bottom of the onion itself, where the tiny little, you know, dried up roots are coming out. I saved those and I kept them in a container of shallow water just to wet the old roots for like about a week and a half. Took the garlic out of that old bucket, and I'm gonna replace it with this when they get big enough. These are those onions that I cut. Look at that, taken off. There's a little sprout at the bottom too, and then there's another one right there under my finger. You can't really see it, but these are what's gonna replace the garlic. I hope it does better. Like I said, it's just an experiment, you know, whatever. Also, those bulbs you saw in the first video, those tiny ones, I'm just gonna start them all. I just crammed them all in there. Just gonna get them wet, see what happens, and if they start shooting up, they'll get their own containers. So now I just want to show you guys the tomatoes. They're doing pretty good. Some of them are a little droopy because it gets cold in the room unless I put the heat on, and they have like one light. So I need to up the ante on that shit a little bit. Here's another one. See that fucking wind? It's pissing me off. There's another one. This guy. And this guy. And this guy, even though it's a girl. She wants my my tomato plants. You don't want these. It's not meat. All right, so lastly, I'm just gonna show you guys this. Look at that. This, say, I thought I picked 2 seeds out of the pepper pouch, and I mean, I know what pepper seeds look like. I thought this was a pepper, but it is not. So there's this guy. His true leaves are coming out. Well, these are technically, but. And then this. What do you guys think that is? Any of you guys have any ideas? Throw me some comments or whatever. I'm thinking maybe a lettuce seed or something, or some type of squash maybe. I don't know. Who knows what got in there? But that's all. Just a short little update for you guys. And my potatoes, they're just chilling. Not anything really happened. And I'm worried about them too, because they just sit dormant in this weather on the porch. You know, it's rained, stormed. There's a freaking tornado watch, and it snowed a couple times. Like, what the hell is going on? Can't the fuck, man? Can't grow these plants like that. That's all, you guys. We'll see you guys next time on the next update. It's a little bit past a week, but it's all right. Don't matter. Thank you guys for watching. Peace. And it's a good thing that I did that update earlier in the day, because I mean, same day. Look at this. It's snowing. Hopefully this weather changes for my plant's sake.